every night. I could keep all your secrets in my pocket locket, and